Hi, I'm Edwin Palmer. Thank you for watching and welcome to my classroom. Today it's time for lesson 7 in my free video series on how to speak Swedish like a native Swede. So this is free Swedish accent training coming straight to you. In this lesson, I want to practice the long Swedish U sound. But before we start practicing, I want to give you some info on this sound. The U sound is a vowel sound, and we call it the close central protruded vowel. And this name tells us how we physically want to make this sound. Here, you position your tongue as close as possible to the roof of the mouth without creating a constriction that would be classified as a consonant. So you just lightly press the middle of your tongue upward. The vowel is central, and that means that the tongue is positioned halfway between a front vowel and a back vowel, so in the middle. Finally, this is a protruded vowel, and that means that you draw the corners of the lips together and expose the inner surfaces of your lips, like this. So it becomes U. Before we start practicing, I just want to say, don't forget to practice in front of a mirror, because by practicing in front of a mirror, you can check the movements of your mouth. And don't forget to record your own voice while you do the exercise, because not only is it important to check if you pronounced each sound of the words correctly, it's also important to check if you used the right stress, if you used the right word stress, and the right intonation. So let's start practicing. Here's how we'll do it. I'll read 10 words out loud, and I want you to repeat each word after me. And don't forget to record yourself while you do it. So here we go. The first word is ur. Ur. Hus. Hus. Mus. Mus. Rus. Rus. Kul. Kul. Ful. Ful. Lura. Lura. Mura. Mura. Luta. Luta. And the last word is muta. Muta. So that was it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back soon with another video. Bye for now. Have a great day.